there, it's Alex with WTI. My family and I like to do a lot of hobbies, and woodworking is one of them, and that's why we love the DEWALT table saw. It's small and compact, it makes it portable, which is what's great about it, so we can move it around anywhere we need to, but it's still super strong and it gets the job done. Let me show you how awesome it is to use. So first of all, the great thing is this rack and pinion fence. It makes it super easy to slide and locks in place, so you've got super accurate cuts.
So I know this machine may look small, but it is mighty. It can even rip 4x8 pieces of plywood, which is very impressive. Great product, and we love all of the features.
Perfect cut, works great every time. We love it, especially for all our hobbies and our woodworking, and that's our point of view.